We are learning how to factor out the greatest common factor, also called the GCF. Factoring means pulling out what all the terms have in common. Look at example 1. We have 12x plus 18. Our goal is to find the biggest number that both terms divide by evenly. 12 and 18 both divide by 6. So the number GCF is 6. Now look at the variables. 12x has an x. 18 does not have an x. Since both terms do not have x, the GCF does not include x. We factor out 6. Now divide each term by 6. That leaves 2x plus 3 inside the parentheses. Always check by multiplying back. 6 times 2x is 12x. 6 times 3 is 18. So this factor is correct. Now let's look at example 2. We have 14x squared plus 21x. This time, both terms have numbers, and x is 14 and 21 both divide by 7. So the number GCF is 7. Now check the variables. We have x squared and x. The rule is the lowest power wins. So the variable part of the GCF is 1x. We factor out 7x. Now divide each term by 7x. That leaves 2x plus 3 inside. Here is the rule to remember. The GCF is the biggest number and the lowest power of each variable that every term shares. Pause here and attempt these examples. After that, press play to see the solution built visually, one step at a time. Make sure to always factor out the greatest common factor and check your work.